Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to install each of the components in the Eco Acoustic Panels collection. We suggest that you find a friend to help you, and for you to set aside an afternoon for the installation. You'll be drilling into your walls, so you want to proceed carefully and get your measurements right. First, we'll start with absorbers. To jump straight to the sections on bass traps and diffusers, click on the time marker links in the video description. Let's start by checking the boxes of your brand new absorber system. You should have 12 square panels, or 12 rectangular panels if you purchased a double width pack. Panels are packaged separately. In the wall and ceiling mount box, you will find 8 walnut top and bottom mounts, 16 hardwood connector mounts, instructions, a paper template, screws and drywall anchors, and a mini level. Once you confirm that you have all the hardware components, there are a couple of tools you need to get started. Drill and drill bits, screwdriver, measuring tape, masking tape, and a pencil or pen for the drill marks. The first step is to tape the paper template where you want the absorber to go. You can use this template to mount on your walls or ceiling in both vertical and horizontal orientations. Measure the distance from the template to your floor or ceiling to ensure uniform placement with other acoustic panels in the room. Use the included mini level to make sure the template is flat and perfectly flush. If you don't get this right, the panels will be crooked. Use a screw to puncture the drill holes of the template, leaving a small impression on the wall. Then, mark the hole with a pencil or pen. Repeat this for all of the drill holes on the template. After all of the drill holes have been marked, remove the template. Check to make sure your drill is properly set before drilling the top holes for the mount. You should only drill the top holes at this point. Afterwards, we'll check to make sure everything is level before drilling further. After drilling the top mount holes, insert the top mount anchors. Make sure the top mount plate is level and properly oriented with the screw holes above the dowels before installing. Now it's time to drill the remaining holes and install the remaining mounts. Mounting screws go into the bottom hole on the connector mounts. On the bottom mount plate, the dowels should be above the mounting screw holes. Refer to the template to confirm their proper orientation. Once all your mounts are up, attach the panels. Then put on the O-rings. Pull the panel out so it is flush with the O-rings. There's room on the dowel for another panel, with some tolerance for uneven walls. And there you go! Congrats! You've just successfully installed your absorber panel. Our bass traps use the same panels and mounts as the absorbers, with additional corner mounting hardware and an acoustic mask to trap lower frequencies. Let's start by checking the boxes of your brand new bass trap system. You should have 12 square panels. Panels are packaged separately. In the bass trap box, you will find 4 walnut top and bottom mounts, 8 hardwood connector mounts, 8 corner brackets, instructions, a paper template, screws, mounting blocks, and drywall anchors, and a mini level. Once you confirm you have all the hardware components, there are a couple of tools you need to get started. Drill and drill bits, screwdriver, measuring tape, masking tape, and a pencil or pen for the drill marks. Let's get started. Attach the mounting blocks to the corner assemblies. Tape the bass trap template to the corner of the room. Make sure it is flat, level, and perfectly flush. Measure and note the distance from the template to the floor or ceiling to ensure uniform placement with other acoustic panels in the room. Next, hold the acoustic mask up beside the template. The drill holes you see should align with their respective marks on paper. If they do not, flip it over. You're holding the acoustic mask backwards. Put a piece of masking tape on the front so you know which side is which later on. Puncture the drill holes and mark with a pencil or pen. If your walls intersect at a 90-degree angle, the hole marks will align with the connector brackets. However, if you're in an older building or your walls are not perfectly perpendicular, then the hole marks will not align exactly. If this is you, don't worry. You can use your pencil marks as height guides by extending them with a short horizontal line using the mini level. After that, you can use the corner brackets that attach to the acoustic mass as your drilling guide. Once your drill marks are set, drill holes and insert anchors before installing your corner brackets. Check to make sure your top corner bracket is level before proceeding. Hang the acoustic mass from the top corner bracket to use as a guide for installing the remaining 3 corner brackets. Attach the next corner bracket to the acoustic mass. And now line up your drill holes with the pencil lines that you marked earlier as height guides. Drill, insert the anchors, and install the brackets to the wall. Repeat the process for the last 2 corner brackets. Next, attach the panel mounting plates and connectors to the corner brackets. Refer to the template to confirm their proper orientation. First, attach the top plate mount to the top corner bracket with the screw holes above the dowels. Attach the connector mounts to the next 2 corner brackets. Mounting screws go into the bottom hole on the connector mounts. On the bottom plate mount, make sure the dowel is above the mounting screw holes. Once all your mounts are up, attach the panels. One 12-pack of panels will allow you to double stack panels on 2 bass trap assemblies for proper acoustic absorption. Then put on the O-rings. Pull the panels out so they are flush with the O-rings. There's room on the dowel for uneven walls. And there you go. Congrats! You've just successfully installed your bass trap. Our diffusers are tuned for mid-range frequencies. Ideal placement is on the wall directly behind your listening position. Diffusers weigh about 25 pounds, so have someone help you with the final mounting process for ease and safety. Before installing your diffuser, let's check first to see what's inside the box. You should have the diffuser, instructions, screws and bumpers, 4 Z-clips, and a mini level. Once you confirm you have all the hardware components, there are a couple of tools you need to get started. Drill and drill bits, screwdriver, measuring tape, and a pencil or pen for the drill marks. The first step is to decide whether you want to hang the diffuser vertically or horizontally. You'll notice the holes on the back. Attach the hanger clips to the back of the diffuser as pictured for either horizontal or vertical orientation. Make sure the protruding end is pointed downward. Stick the 2 bumpers on, well below the clips, as shown in the instructions for either horizontal or vertical orientation. The bumpers will keep the diffuser hanging flat against your wall. Now it's time to get it on the wall. Measure from the floor up and mark your ideal placement of the diffuser. Make 2 measurements roughly a foot apart to ensure your marks are level. Measure the distance between the 2 holes of the clips, 24 3/8 inches for horizontal and 7 inches for vertical placement. Use the clip holes as a reference to mark the drill points. Drill the holes before installing the wall anchors. Attach the clips to the wall with the open end facing upwards. Then, get a buddy to help hang your diffuser. Congratulations! You've just successfully installed your diffuser.